Hi, I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf. Welcome to What's in My Toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. And on this instalment, we have this mechanic stethoscope. This is quite a handy little tool, or diagnostic tool should I say. It has quite comfortable earpieces, and it also has a detachable end just here, which I'm just going to unscrew now. And it's quite useful because you can unscrew it two ways. It's a double-ended screw. You screw that in, hold it just there. It gives you quite a long amount of reach. Let me just quickly bring this over here. As you can see, it's got this nice firm handle here to hold it by. And then you can just put it up against something that you want to listen to. Obviously you can't listen to that, but for instance, if I grab this drill in quickly. Say for instance you wanted to hear a part of this drill, for instance just here. Like that, you'd be able to listen to see if the bearings are going. It's great for wheel bearings and other things like that. Engine knocks. So yeah, really useful for that. But the fact that you can shorten it down is also very handy. Sometimes if you're trying to hear a close-up knock, you don't need the whole length of this because you can get vibration and interference. It's quite a handy little thing for that. Like I said, this got a relatively long tube part here. This part here obviously spring loaded, this little spring, which makes it very handy. So my final thoughts on the stethoscope. It's definitely come in very handy for me so far. It's great. I've diagnosed an engine knock, faulty wheel bearing and a few other things with it that I wouldn't be able to hear normally. Being partially deaf, I need sometimes a bit of extra help, and this is perfect for that. So yeah, I've really enjoyed using it. It's helped me out a great deal. If you're looking for one, pick one up. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.